Alright, I don't know how I got to the introduction back. So this is solar energy and its applications, and this is my 6-minute talk. So the introduction, solar energy is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity. This can be done by using photovoltaic panels, and on larger scales it's done by thermal power plants. It is a renewable source of energy and therefore is a green source of energy. So how does solar energy work? The solar panel converts sunlight to electricity. The inverter converts the electricity to usable power. That is then converted, the converted power is sent to your home, and the excess power is sent to the grid and is credited to you. So what exactly does the greener energy source mean? The green energy is any energy type that can be generated from natural resources such as sunlight, wind, or water. So therefore, solar energy is an unlimited and inexhaustible resource, which is better than the average expendable fossil fuels. So there are two primary technologies used to emit energy. The first one is the photovoltaic panels. It's the most common way to utilize the energy from the sun. You've probably seen these mirror-like panels on the rooftop of a home or on a device like a calculator. These panels operate as conductors, taking the sun rays, heating them up, and creating energy and electricity. So the next technology is the solar thermal power plants. These plants utilize the sun's heat to boil water and power the steam turbines. The power plants can supply power to thousands of people, and these power plants also utilize the power of the sun and create energy. So there are a few advantages of solar energy, one being lowering electricity bills, reducing greenhouse emissions, and creating jobs and opportunities in the renewable energy sector. I'll explain these now. So how solar energy lowers the electricity bill? Essentially, the startup cost is the most expensive thing, but after the solar panels are acquired and the monthly costs are broken down, it is actually a great way to help you save money. By comparing the amount of power produced by solar panels and the cost per kilowatt hour from the electricity produced by the panels, it is expected to be lower than the average electricity bill from a utility company. So how are the greenhouse emissions reduced? Solar energy replaces or reduces the use of the energy sources that have a larger effect on the environment by not producing air pollution or greenhouse gases when operating. Using solar energy can have a positive and indirect effect on the environment. So, how can the solar energy create more jobs? Well, it's clean energy and energy efficiency. And the energy efficiency puts more people to work at comparable wages than the continued fossil fuel extraction due to the climate-friendly nature. So the installer and service technicians for this solar and wind, they're forecasted to grow 11 to 13 times faster than just the United States job average. So the vast majority of energy sector jobs, such as electricians, plant operators, riggers, and others, are needed for both the fossil and non-fossil energy. So that will help produce more jobs. Then I found this quote. I thought it was kind of funny, so I wanted to include it. Solar power is the last energy resource that isn't owned yet. Nobody taxes the sun, and that was from Bonnie Raitt. And now I'll get into the different applications. So the first application of solar energy is transportation. It's used to power electric vehicles. It provides energy to power things like the charging stations and stuff like that. Then we have in homes. It provides a way to generate your own electricity. It's cost effective and environmentally friendly. Then for agriculture, it provides a way to enhance crop production by using solar-powered irrigation systems. In space, it's used to power satellites and spacecraft. And I saw this also, the sun illuminates the journey to the stars. So I thought that was kind of funny too. And then for gadgets, it provides energy to portable phone chargers and backpacks that'll keep you connected wherever you are. In conclusion, the solar energy is growing fast and it's quite a great renewable solution to meet our energy needs. There are many different applications that benefit from this type of energy source. By reducing the carbon footprint and creating sustainable energy, our future will look